The Celtic Cross is one of the most beloved tarot spreads. It's a favorite among beginners and experienced readers alike. Why is it so popular? Because it offers a comprehensive view of any situation. It's like a snapshot of your life, revealing your past, present, and potential future. This spread dives deep into your question. It explores the influences surrounding you. It reveals your hopes and fears, and it offers guidance for moving forward. Don't be intimidated by its seemingly complex structure. With a little practice, you can master this powerful spread. This guide will break down the Celtic Cross step by step. We'll explore each card position and its meaning. You'll learn how to connect the cards and interpret their messages. Let's begin. Imagine the Celtic Cross as a stage. Each card position is like a spotlight, illuminating a different aspect of your story. The layout: 1. Significator. This card represents you, the querent, and your current energy. 2. Crossing. This card reveals the challenges or opportunities you face. 3. Basis or foundation. This card delves into the root of the situation. 4. Recent past. This card sheds light on events that led to the present. 5. Crowning. This card represents your hopes, goals, or aspirations. 6. Near future. This card offers insights into what's coming next. 7. You or your approach. This card reflects your attitude and approach. 8. External influences. This card highlights external factors at play. 9. Hopes and fears. This card reveals your hopes and fears regarding the situation. 10. Outcome or resolution. This card suggests the potential outcome. Remember, this is just a framework. The true magic of the Celtic Cross lies in your intuition and interpretation. Each card in the Celtic Cross holds a specific meaning. Understanding these meanings unlocks the spread's messages. The significator sets the stage for the reading. It represents your current state. The crossing represents challenges or growth opportunities. The basis provides context and underlying influences. Recent past shows how past events shape your reality. Crowning reveals your aspirations. Near future offers glimpses into what's ahead. You reflects your current attitude. Outcome suggests the potential result. The Celtic Cross is not just about individual card meanings. It's about understanding the relationships between the cards. Look for patterns and connections. Do any cards share similar imagery or themes? Are there any major arcana cards that stand out? Pay attention to the suits. Each suit represents a different aspect of life. For example, cups relate to emotions, wands to action, swords to thoughts, and pentacles to material matters. Consider the card positions. The position of each card adds another layer of meaning to its interpretation. For example, a card in the crossing position will have a different impact than the same card in the outcome position. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to connect the cards. Trust your intuition and let the cards guide you. Section 5. The Heart of the Matter, Card 1 and 2. The first two cards in the Celtic Cross are crucial. They set the stage for the entire reading and reveal the core of the situation. Card 1, the Significator. This card represents you, the querent. It reflects your current energy, mindset, and approach to life. For example, the Fool might suggest a sense of adventure and new beginnings, while the Empress might indicate a nurturing and abundant energy. Card 2, the crossing. This card often represents the challenges or obstacles you're facing. However, it can also highlight opportunities for growth and transformation. It's important to look at this card in relation to the significator. For example, if the significator is the Tower and the crossing card is the Star, it might suggest that a period of upheaval is leading to a time of healing and renewal. Section 6, Past, Present, Future, cards 3, 4, and 5. The next 3 cards in the Celtic cross provide a timeline of the situation. They offer insights into the past, present, and potential future. Card 3, Basis, Foundation. This card represents the foundation of the situation. It reveals the root cause or underlying influences that have led to the present moment. Card 4, Recent Past. This card sheds light on the recent past and how it has shaped your current reality. It can reveal patterns, decisions, or events that are still influencing the situation. Card 5, Crowning. This card represents your hopes, goals, or aspirations related to the situation. It reveals what you're striving for and what you hope to achieve. Section 7, External Influences and Inner Guidance. Cards 6 and 7. Cards 6 and 7 in the Celtic cross explore the interplay between external influences and your internal world. Card 6, Near Future. This card offers a glimpse into the near future. It suggests potential paths and possibilities based on the current energies at play. Card 7, View Your Approach. This card reflects your current attitude and approach to the situation. It reveals how you're engaging with the challenges and opportunities before you. Section 8, The World Around You. Cards 8, 9, and 10. The final 3 cards in the Celtic cross explore the external environment and the potential outcome of the situation. Card 8, External Influences. This card highlights the external factors that are influencing the situation. This could include other people, circumstances, or events beyond your control. Card 9, Hopes and Fears. This card delves into your inner world. It reveals your hopes and fears regarding the situation, both conscious and subconscious. Card 10, Outcome, Resolution. This card suggests the potential outcome of the situation based on the current energies at play. It's important to remember that the future is not fixed. This card offers guidance, not a definitive prediction. Section 9. Example, reading a journey of love. Let's imagine a general reading about love using the Celtic cross. 1. Significator, the lovers. This suggests you're seeking a deep, meaningful connection. 2. Crossing 5 of Cups. You may be carrying past hurts that are holding you back. 3. Basis, 10 of Pentacles. You desire a stable, loving relationship. 6. Near future, 4 of Wands. A period of celebration and joy is on the horizon. 10 outcome, 10 of Cups. This suggests a happy and fulfilling relationship is possible. Trust your intuition and let the cards guide you.